TDing, it's a nightmare. In winter, there are far fewer trains. Only one goods train during the weekend. Tend to be short, maybe less than 10 wagons. Often double-headed and travel fast. 15 minutes before the train was due, we made the final preparations. I started to take my trousers off to get into my bike shorts. I looked up and there was the train. It was early. I only had seconds to get on my bike. And finally, when I got them off, the train had passed. It was all over so quick. That was pretty awful to miss a good ride. Maybe I'll wear different trousers next time.